How to start affiliate marketing on Pinterest. Hey everybody, it's Z Cashflow, aka Zaira Almond, and be sure to like and subscribe to this channel for more content like this. In the video today, we're going to discuss how you can make money on Pinterest with affiliate marketing. Let's go ahead and get started. So one of the first things you want to do is find a niche. You want to find something you're passionate about. So some examples of this could be finance, health, or beauty. But find something that you're passionate about and something that you really love to do. Think about some of the things that you tune into every day, or the activities that you do on a daily basis, or some of the hobbies that you do. Okay, so once you find that niche or find that thing that you're really passionate about, then you want to come over to Pinterest and you want to start looking for ideas. So a good way to do this is to just type in, for example, if we're going to do health, let's say health is the niche that we're really passionate about and we're really interested in. I'm going to type in health tips, okay, so you can really get specific. You can say health tips for women for losing weight. So maybe that's even more specific, right? So let's type that in, health tips for women losing weight, right? That might be our niche. That might be the thing that we're like really passionate about. And we can scroll through and just look at ideas. We can start to get ideas for the kind of content we can create on Pinterest. So here's a good example of a pin that we could make, right? 7 powerful tips to lose weight after 50. So this is a great example of a pin that we could create. Or here's a pin on weight loss, intermediate fasting plan, right? So there's a lot of ideas and a lot of things that we could talk about. And this is a great way to get ideas for content and the type of pins that we can create. So once you find some ideas on content, then you really want to start looking for a program to promote. So if we're in the health niche, we're going to find a program to promote in that niche. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. Okay, so I'm in Google and I typed in health affiliate programs right here, as you can see. So you can see all the different categories here. These are even more specific. So you have health and wellness, natural health, mental health. So you can really get specific with your niche, and I really do encourage you to niche down, because the more niche down you can get, the more targeted your audience will be, and it's just going to be easier to get qualified, get a more qualified customer base. So I would really focusing on niching down. But let's say that women's health is our target, so we could do women's health affiliate programs. And as you can see, there's a whole bunch of websites that are going to show us all of the affiliate programs in this niche. So let's say Pink Lotus, right? Let's say this company is a company that we really like and we want to promote. So let's click on that. And this is going to take us to their website. And you can see that this program has an affiliate program that you can promote. And this is solely for women's health. It says Pink Lotus has emerged a leading women's health e-commerce platform. They offer a unique selection of highly functional and custom formulated products. So this would be a great example of a company that we could promote. Here's another good example of a list of websites that I found. There are 46 best women health programs. And you can see all of the different programs that you could promote. So these are over 46 different companies that you could choose from here. So yeah, oh, there's Pink Lotus again. So yeah, you can see that there are a ton of programs out there to promote. So yeah, this is very fun to be able to go out and find products, you know, that you like. So yeah. So if you're looking to make more money, like with the higher ticket programs, another great place to start with could be ClickBank. So I'll show you that. Alright, so I'm on ClickBank. I'm going to log in to my account and I'm going to show you where you can find products on ClickBank. So I'm going to go over to the affiliate marketplace. I'm going to click it and it's going to show me all of the different products that you can promote. In our example, we said that we wanted to focus on health, so we can click over here and we can look for health and fitness, and you can see all of the different categories listed here. We said that we wanted to focus on women's health, so I'm going to click on women's health. And so if you're looking to make a higher ticket type of commission, or you want to make more money, because some of the programs that we mentioned earlier are just a few of the programs, you know, they're really good, but they're kind of like lower ticket, you know. So if you're looking to make a lot more money and you want to make some higher ticket, or a better, I guess a better, easier to understand word would be, if you want to make more money, right? If you want to make a higher commission, then these are great. ClickBank is an awesome place to start too. So you can see all of the different programs here. Let's say that we were interested in this pelvic floor strong product, so we can click it. You can check out their page. Okay, let's go to the product page, and you can check out their page to see what it's about. But yeah, this is just a basic example of what this is. You could promote this. So once you look at their page, you kind of get an idea of what the product's about, and you know, maybe you decide to promote it. Then you come over to this little link and you click on promote, and this will take you to the affiliate page. Okay, so this is their affiliate page, and you can see all of the things that they provide you. So all you have to do is apply, and they'll tell you how much commission you'll earn, how much you'll make. So yeah, if you're looking for, you know, a higher commission product, then ClickBank is a great place to find those type of products. Okay, so once you find a product that you want to promote, then you would create a page. So this page could be a website, a blog page, this could be a landing page, but you basically want to create some kind of page where you can drive your audience to. So I'm going to show you a few ways to do that. Okay folks, so I'm on a platform called systems.io, and this is just one of the few funnel builders that you can use. If you're not familiar with what a funnel is, it's basically it's a system, or it's a set of pages that you can create where you can kind of lead people to your offer. So you can create landing pages on here. I'm going to show you a couple examples here. So let me go. Let's go to the marketplace, and I'll show you some examples of what these pages look like. So they're very easy to make. This website is completely free to start with. It's completely free to use. So this is a really great place to start if you don't have a lot of money for a website right now, and you just want to get started. This is a really good place to start. So you can see all the different websites here. Let's say that we wanted to promote that product that we found, right? We really like that pelvic floor plan product, and so we could create a landing page very similar to that, right? So you can search for templates. They have templates that you can start with, and you can edit these templates. website templates, and yeah, this is where you would create your landing page, or yeah, landing page, right? A funnel. So again, if you don't know what a funnel is, it's basically a set of pages where you kind of drive your audience to, and you have your offer on that page, and it's kind of like this. Here, I'll show you an example. Let's go back to that page we were just on. Let's see. I'll show you an example, but it's kind of like this page right here. This page was created with I'm not sure what system they used or what website builder they used for this. They could have used ClickFunnels, or they could have used systems.io, but yeah. So this is an example of a landing page right here, right? There's a video, there's a headline, and that's it. So another way that you could, another type of page that you could create is a blog. So you could come to a platform called Medium, and you could start a free account with them. It's completely free to start. You don't need any money to start posting articles on here. But basically, you just make yourself an account, and you can start writing your own articles on here, and you can actually put your affiliate links on here. So if you have a page, if you have articles that you write in the health niche, here, let's go to the health category, and you can see all of the different writers in the health category. So if we wrote some articles in the health niche, we could put our affiliate links in that blog post, and we could promote that product. So once you've decided what page you want to create, whether that be a website or a blog or a landing page, once you make that decision, then you want to go to Pixels. It's a photo image platform where you're going to find an image to go with your pin, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, so I'm on pixels.com, and I'm just going to search for the niche that we described in this video, in this example. So we said earlier that women's health was our main niche that we wanted to promote, so I'm going to type in women's health, and we can just find a whole bunch of different images relating to women's health, right? And what we can do is we can use these images on our Pinterest pins. So I'm just going to find an image that I like, and I'll meet you back at Pinterest. Okay, so we're at Pinterest now, and the next thing you want to do is create a pin. So, well, you actually want to create an account first. So if you don't have an account already, you can make a business account or a personal account, doesn't really matter. Just create an account, and then you want to come up here and you want to click on create, and then you want to go to create pin. So if you decide to do a video, you also have that option as well. You can make videos, you can make pins with just words. In this example, we're just going to do kind of an image that we found on Pixels. So I'm just going to grab that image, and I'm just going to drag it in here, and as you can see, this is the image we found, and I'm just going to put a title in here, and just say 7 ways to lose weight, something like that, right? Relating to women's health, right? So 7 ways, let's see, 7 ways for women to lose weight, something like that, right? And then you want to tell everybody what the pin is about. And then once you do that, you'll take the page that you created earlier. So this can be your website, your blog page, whatever page you created, and just post that link right here, right? What you don't want to do is put the direct link. So you don't want to take the affiliate link and put it there. The reason why is because it might look like a scam. So you really want to avoid doing that, right? You don't want to copy and paste the actual affiliate link. You don't want to do that, right? You don't want to put it directly right there. You want to put the link to your website, your blog, or your landing page right there. And that's it. You just paste it here. And that's the process, folks. That is how you make money with Pinterest. Okay, folks, you've made it to the end of this video, and I really hope you enjoyed it. If you